Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to improve OpenClaw's memory, long-term memory. If you've used OpenClaw before, you know it typically many times forgets things, and its long-term memory has to dig deep to look things up. So we're going to fix that. We're using a skill for the Datris platform. So if you come over to the docs on the MCP reference, configuring OpenClaw, you'll see a discussion of how you can set this up. So here's some detail on OpenClaw and its memory current capabilities and how we're going to improve it. So let's come down to step one. The first thing you want to do is you want to set your embedding model to OpenAI on the Datris platform. So if you come over to the configuration, I've already done this. So you come down here. So we're using the OpenAI text embedding 3 small, which is actually the best embedding model you can use for throughput. Let's come back here. Next, you want to install the Datris CLI because the OpenClaw skill might actually use this. You can do that here. I've already done that. You want to register your server with OpenClaw, and this is the command here. I've already done that as well. Then you want to install the skill. You can install it using, it's actually out there on ClawHub, so you can install it using this command, or you can install it manually by putting it in the OpenClaw workspace skills Datris memory folder. And here's the actual skill. And then you want to, step 5, you want to restart your gateway so it reads the skill in. And then you want to kick it off. So it doesn't start ingesting its memory. It's going to take its memory files and push them into the Datris platform in a PG vector, but it won't do that automatically. You kind of have to kick it. So I'm going to basically say you have the skill installed, use it to ingest memory into Datris. So I'm going to hit enter here. And it's going to, let's come back over here to the agent, and we can actually monitor what's going on. So it's going to, there it goes, it starts, checks the health, lists pipelines, see if the pipeline already exists. Now it's creating the pipeline. You can see it's creating an OpenClaw memory pipeline. Okay, it's attempting to upload the data. It looks like it had an error. It should correct itself. Here it goes. And it's uploading all the memory files from when I've been running OpenClaw for a couple months now, roughly. So you can see it's starting to push this data. And you can hit the ingestion tab and see actually what's going on. So it's pushed a couple files already. Checking the status of those. It should start to parallelize the ingestion soon. It's doing some tests right now. There it goes. So you can see it's parallelizing, pushing all the data, the memory files. And you can see over here, yeah, there they are. Let's come back over here. So it should push all the data, and then it's going to check. It's going to confirm that it's all there, and then do some checks against the data. So it's going to take a little while. Okay, and it's all done. So it gives you a summary of what it did here. It created the OpenClaw memory pipeline and just 45 files, memory files. Gives you some more detail. Next logical step wire, a 30-minute incremental cron. I believe it has already done that. I'm going to say, what is your earliest memory? It's going to call the vector. Okay, that looks right. March 17th, that's when I set this up. So let's see, what are the advantages of you using the Datris memory skill? Okay, and there you have it. Semantic recall, provenance stays intact, local files, canonical, and so on and so forth. So it should have way better memory recall now. You could test it, you can see it hitting over here, and it should refresh every 30 minutes if you change anything. That's pretty much it.